All right, Tiana, let's go.
All right, so let's go.
Hey, so I gotta get the this coffee for the buyer. This is the frappe?
Yes.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Yeah. So anyhow, so I'm gonna show you guys around real quick. We're just leaving this Night Sky Coffee Roasters, and peaceful Saturday morning, getting a little coffee. Got the buyer waiting for us at the 13 North Broad Street. Hang on, be careful over here. Yeah, it's a cool little historic town, and this buyer is interested. He says, hey, I'm not gonna be redeveloping this property today, but I do need to sit some cash somewhere, and it's typical in the
We need to get out of the way.
it's typical in the commercial space where people will just buy towards the ending of the year based on what their CPA tells them. And so anyhow, I think we should cross here.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Like, this is so cool. The little downtown Winder vibe is so dope. Like, you got like picture and framers over here, like little mom and pop stores that give this life. And a lot of the demographics here, you have 36, 37-year-olds, professionals moving up here. Housing is still affordable, right? Mm-hmm. You're in the 300s, and so it's very affordable. It's holding its historic look. You see that?
Yeah.
That you got over there, Lash and Brow Studio. Hello, how are you? Is that Santa?
Oh my gosh, Santa?
Yeah. Santa? No.
No.
Oh my goodness. This is the speakeasy. So I remember. How are y'all? Okay, let's go in here real quick. Hey, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Oh yeah, come on. We're just recording.
Yeah, you just keep it like that.
How are you, Santa?
Where can I go?
Come on. Sit on here. Come on. All right, we're just recording.
Yeah, we're just.
Gotta go.
Merry Christmas.
All right.
I love Santa.
It is, right? So this building, if you see it, I came and toured this building when it was for sale. They were selling that building for $4 million, and it sold the second day, or the once they had the little open house. I remember I came to that. They had a broker's open, and very unique. They have restaurant at the bottom. They got an event hall on the second floor, office in the third, and then on the fourth, they also have like another kitchen bar, and then they also have a rooftop. That was pretty cool. But if you can see, like, look, you got City Hall on this side. So
nice.
Cozy still, right?
Very cozy.
Very cozy. Winder's up and coming, right? A lot of development is coming here. You got people buying industrial spaces like crazy. And so I'm really hoping that this buyer shows interest in the property that I'm selling. Down here, this property.
So tell us a little bit about this property.
Yeah, so this property used to be an offices upstairs and retail downstairs.
Okay.
So the city actually is shooting for affordable housing. And so depending on, if the buyer's willing to take on and adding 2 more stories onto the building, then it would make sense to do affordable housing. And then you have your coffee shops downstairs, or a little restaurant or whatnot. Another concept, which you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna be, you can open up a gym, high ceilings, you can,
nice.
Yeah, grocery stores, coffee shops, salon suites, you can have a mix of tenants, right? So messing around, I was having a conversation with Jimmy Terrell. He is the mayor of City of Winder, and he's like, Andy, you know what I would love to see there? And I'm like, what? He's like, I would love to see a brewery there.
Oh,
and he already started naming.
That's a good idea.
He already started naming. Hey, what's going on? Lakesh?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? It's Andy. Hey, man, going on? I got you.
Morning.
Here, you got it, brother.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Yes. Hey,
Hi, I'm Tiana. Nice to meet you.
This is Tiana. She's part of our brokerage and our firm. She's just shooting a quick little video and just talking. Yeah. So I was just sharing with everyone, some uses here that Jimmy, the mayor of City of Winder, was proposing. He's like, hey, honestly, what I would really love to see is a brewery. And he started naming, because we're on a track, he started naming like drinks of like trains and stuff. However, because this is a church here, he was like, unfortunately, we will not be able to approve a liquor license and have a brewery next to a church. So, I'm all about getting creative. So I'm just messing around. I told Jimmy, what if we do cash for keys and dangle some cash and get the church up? But no, we chuckled, but it was just a joke. So, but yeah.
You can't do a sports bar also, right? I don't think it's feasible.
I don't know. Come on, yeah. So This right here, I fell in love with the exposed brick, the industrial look, right? Now, sure, this was a lot messier. This was, you couldn't even walk in here, so I paid a crew to come in and re-clean everything, get everything out. This apparently used to be some salon or barber salon, so just from a different aspect, if the downstairs, and we can go in and see it, if the downstairs get creative with maybe some sort of barbershop salons down here, right? You can have a multiple tenant situation here, and in the back, figure that out afterwards. Upstairs, whole different ball game. I'll show you so you can take a quick peek on that.
So when you bought it, it is just like this.
But destroyed. I cleaned it up. Yes, my intentions were salon suites, but this is overkill for just salon suites. And yeah, very much overkill. So obviously the as-is appraisal that I received is knowing that the roof is, you need a whole new roof system. That we know, that we know. The train, let's get the train.
My gosh,
I want to get the train.
Perfect timing.
This is amazing. Yo. All right, so on the outside, you see the billboard. I've got an interest on the billboard. The billboard does not come with the property, it's in an easement. So the owner of that billboard is willing to sell his interest in the billboard. And he said he's making about $2,000 a month and has it leased out to Clear. So Clear is a company that focuses just on billboards and having these type of clients. Work out the spot, you can even maybe close up, even up to here. Right? Even up to here, and then you worry about that after. Okay. Second floor, obviously, you want to just go ahead and put the new flooring. If this was gonna be a gym, you probably wouldn't do a second floor. So you would pop this flooring, and then just have the machines. And I think 10,000 square foot space for a gym here would be great. Or like one of those, like a private boxing, or what's it called? Yeah, those type of gyms that just. Literally. So I've seen gyms do it with 3,000-4,000 square feet. This is 10,000. Right. We step on the studs.
Yes,
on the studs,
please.
we're fine.
Thank you.
I would say right here you should be fine. I probably wouldn't go too much. I think the roof right there, I'm almost 6 feet. I'm right before 6 feet. I wish I was 6 feet. But this probably what, eight or nine?
So
8 or 9 feet.
We can, if we want to redo the roof, it can go a bit up or no?
You can actually go higher, up to 50 feet, without asking for any variance or anything.
Really?
So yes, so that's where the idea came when I started investigating. Everybody like, well, why don't you do multifamily? I had the conversation with Jimmy Terrell, and he's like, I would love to see affordable housing, but the only way it would make sense, you have to pop the top and go up 2 more floors. So you have floor number 2, 3, and 4 are affordable housing, right? Downtown living, and then the downstairs will be retail. You know, no pressure. If it's something that you feel that you can like, you can park your money and that. Any other information that I can send your way?
About the plumbing or any other county stuff that we need to take care of?
As far as, no, I mean, plumbing, what I would encourage, which I didn't do, but I would encourage, get a scope, somebody to scope the line, probably $250, scope the line, you know. It's good for the plumbing. Electrical, obviously, we know. You got to add, I mean, it's open canvas at this point. We know that.
Yeah.
We know that.
Plumbing is the only, I think,
Uh-huh. So,
that we need to take care of.
yeah. And then also, depending on where or who's the tenant's going to be, right? So you never want to do plumbing first until you know who the tenant is going to be or what the concept is. Because what if you do the plumbing? Okay, I got plumbing now. And then now the tenant says, no, it's going to be a gym, but the bathrooms forcefully have to be on that side because that's how our concept works. Now you have to re-break the concrete and move the pipe. So all that is done simultaneously also as you're bringing in tenants or pre-leasing, and it's okay. And then once you have a signed LOI, say, I would love this space, this is how much we're gonna pay and all that, and this is great, then you can start building, a lot of times you pass those costs on to the tenant. So when I was designated with the salon suites concept, I already had it named Trackside Salon Suites. Trackside because it's
Oh yeah.
it was very
Yeah.
unique on that.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. Yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is just pop the drone. I'm gonna get some new footage.
Okay.
Yeah. No worries.